सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् अनि सँगै आउने बेल आइकनलाई दबाउनुहोस्।
एसईई दिने विद्यार्थीहरूका लागि तयार पारिएको रेडियो कार्यक्रम एसईई रेडियो पढाइ कार्यक्रममा सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूमा हार्दिक स्वागत छ। यो कार्यक्रम तपाईँ रेडियो खलङ्गा एफएम 107.6 मेगाहर्जका साथै इन्टरनेटमा www.radiokhalanga.org लगइन गरेर पनि सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यो कार्यक्रम भेरी नगरपालिकाको आर्थिक सहयोगमा सामुदायिक रेडियो खलङ्गा एफएमले तयार पारेको हो। यो कार्यक्रम तपाईले हरेक हप्ताको आइतबारदेखि बिहीबार बिहान 7:30 बजेदेखि 8 बजेसम्म विज्ञान, दिउँसो 4:30 बजेदेखि 5 बजेसम्म अङ्ग्रेजी र बेलुकी 5:30 बजेदेखि 6 बजेसम्म गणित विषयको कक्षा सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ भने प्रत्येक हप्ताको शुक्रबार उही समयमा विषयगत शिक्षकहरूसँग तपाईले फोन मार्फत आफूले नबुझेका प्रश्नहरू सोध्न सक्नुहुनेछ। यो त थियो कार्यक्रम सम्बन्धी छोटो जानकारी। अब लागौं आजको कक्षातिर।
Good afternoon, dear students. Warm welcome to all the students who are listening this radio tuition class. I am Janak Kesi. This radio tuition class comes to you from Radio Khalanga FM 107.6 MHz. This tuition class is specially dedicated to SEE students who are waiting School Education Examination SEE, which has been postponed due to COVID-19. Okay, dear students, before start our today's class, we need to discuss about our yesterday's homework. Yesterday, I had given you a homework to fulfill appropriate articles in blank places. So today we are going to discuss first. The question number 1 was, it is the unit of measurement. Which is suitable article here? It is a unit of measurement. Number 2, she returned after the hour. Here, an hour. And number 3, this is the best idea to solve it. Here, you should write the best idea. And number 4, Sri Lanka is the island. Here, you should write an island. And next, this is the weather the cuckoo likes songs. You can write the weather the cuckoo sings. And next, it is the antique queen. Here, you should write an antique queen. And next, the sun is the star. Here, you should write the sun is a star. And next, the son is the ear of the father. Here, you should write the son is an ear of the father. And next, what the big house? Here, you can write what a big house. And next, it costs Rs 100 meter. Here you can write it cost Rs 100 a meter. And next, what the grand party? Here you can write what a grand party. And next, please run the little faster. Here you can write please run a little faster. This is our yesterday's homework. Now we are going to discuss about today's class, today's topic. Today we are going to study about making tag questions. You know, there are 3 kinds of questions in English. Number 1 is WH question, second yes/no question, and third is tag question. Tag question means if we add auxiliary verb plus subject in a sentence or statement and it shows the question shape, that is called tag question. And today also I am presenting you some examples first, then we will discuss about the rules of making tag question. Yes, copy these examples first. Yes, are you ready, students? Yes, number one, he is working, isn't he? Again, he is working, isn't he? Next, she won't come, will she? Again, she won't come, will she? Don't make noise, will you? Don't make noise, will you? Please come here, will you? Again, please come here, will you? Go back, will you? Go back, will you? Let me speak, will you? Let's go, shall we? Again, let's go, shall we? You would better stop, hadn't you? You would better stop, hadn't you? They would rather come, wouldn't they? They would rather come, wouldn't they? No one speaks bad, do they? No one speaks bad, do they? Someone is knocking the door, aren't they? Someone is knocking the door, aren't they? He never helped me, did he? Again, he never helped me, did he? She hardly speaks English, does she? She hardly speaks English, does she? I had much money yesterday, didn't I? Again, I had much money yesterday, didn't I? We have to help them, don't we? We have to help them, don't we? Yes, these are the examples of tag questions. You can guess some rules of making tag question through these examples. So now, dear students, I am going to present some rules of making tag, and it will help you to make other tag questions yourself. Number one, if the statement is positive, tag is made negative. And if the statement is negative, tag is made positive. Again, if the statement is positive, tag is made negative. And if the statement is negative, tag is made positive. For example, she will dance, won't she? Again, she will dance, won't she? And second, you didn't pay money, did you? Again, you didn't pay money, didn't you? And second, if the statement is in imperative sentence, we keep will you in tag question. Again, if the statement is in imperative sentence, we keep will you in tag question. For example, come here, will you? Don't smoke, will you? Let them dance, will you? Please sit down, will you? Again, come here, will you? Don't smoke, will you? Let them dance, will you? Please sit down, will you? And number fourth, if there are no auxiliary verbs in sentence, we need to make tag question according to the main verb. Again, if there are no auxiliary verbs in sentence, we need to make tag question according to the main verb. For example, V1 don't plus subject, V2 didn't plus subject, V5 doesn't plus subject. For example, I go to school. I go to school, don't I? She cooks rice, doesn't she? Again, she cooks rice, doesn't she? He saw me, didn't he? Again, he SAW saw me, didn't he? And next, if there is never, hardly, seldom, and rarely in the statement, then tag becomes positive. Again, if there is never, hardly, seldom, and rarely in the statement, then tag becomes positive. For example, she never gets angry, does she? Again, she never gets angry, does she? He hardly passed exam, did he? Again, he hardly passed exam, did he? And third, they rarely meet us, do they? Again, they rarely meet us, do they? And if there is would better in the statement, tag becomes wouldn't. And if there is had better in the statement, tag becomes hadn't. And if there is would rather in the statement, tag becomes wouldn't. Again, if there is had better in the statement, tag becomes hadn't. And if there is would rather in the statement, tag becomes wouldn't. For example, you would better go by bus, hadn't you? Again, you had better go by bus, hadn't you? She would rather stay out, wouldn't she? She would rather stay out, wouldn't she? And next, if there is someone, somebody, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody as a subject in the statement, tag question, we need to write subject they. But think that if there is no one and nobody as a subject in the statement, tag becomes positive. Again, listen carefully, dear students. If there is someone, somebody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody as a subject in the statements in the tag, we need to write subject they. But think that if there is no one and nobody as a subject in the statement, tag becomes positive. For example, someone knocks the door, don't they? Listen again. Someone knocks the door, don't they? Somebody is calling me, aren't they? Somebody is calling me, aren't they? No one told a story, did they? No one told a story, did they? Nobody is working here, are they? Nobody is working here, are they? And next, if there is something and nothing as a subject, we need to write it as a subject in tag question. Again, listen carefully, dear students. If there is something and nothing as subject in this statement, we need to write it as a subject in the tag question. For example, something is wrong, isn't it? Something is wrong, isn't it? Nothing was mistake, was it? Nothing was mistake, was it? Something was wrong, wasn't it? Something was wrong, wasn't it? Nothing is correct, is it? Again, nothing is correct, is it? Yes. Dear students, we discussed about making tag question in 7 points. In 7 points, we discussed about how to make tag questions. First, I presented some examples of tag questions to you, and after that we discussed about different rules of making tag question. If you have any confusion, you can note down in your copy and you can ask me later, and you can consult different books and reference materials to solve your confusion. And if you have any question, we will talk later in our conversation, in our radio conversation. At that time, I'll support you to solve your problems related to the making tag questions. So today we discussed different tag questions, their rules, their examples, and now I would like to give you a homework for tomorrow, and for your practice. For your practice, I'm going to give you a homework. Yes, are you ready? If you are ready, if you have copy and pen and you are ready to write my some questions about tag question, yes, start. Let's start to write our questions. Yes, number 1, please write down. A barking dog seldom, 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 bites, seldom bites. Okay, number 2, I have to do it. Again, I have to do it. Number 3, nothing is correct. Again, nothing is correct. Next, I am tired. I am tired. Next, everyone saw the film. Again, everyone saw, SAW, saw the film. Did you write? Okay, next. Nobody had problem there. Again, nobody had problem, problem there. THERE, there. Next, he would better drink water. Yes, he had better drink water. She would rather prefer tea. She would rather prefer tea. Okay. She would rather prefer tea. Next. Stop. STOP, stop. This much. Stop. Next. Don't speak Hindi. Don't speak Hindi. Don't speak Hindi. Let me go out. Again, let me go out. Everyone is dancing. Again, everyone is dancing. No one solved the problem. No one solved the problem. Next, be quiet. Again, be quiet. Next, she has much money. She has much money. Okay, now you can discuss with your friends also, and you can try to solve these problems, these questions yourself, getting support from different materials which you have there at your home. And you can also consult with me in your time. So today we discussed about making tag question. I presented many examples for you, and also we discussed about how to make tag question and how to make tag questions from the different rules. So this exercise will be homework for you tomorrow, and tomorrow we will again discuss about the correct answer of these questions. So today our class time is going to be finished. So okay, dear students, today that's all. See you tomorrow in our next class. Bye. Good evening. Have a fruitful time for you. And at last, I would like to speak you that do well, have well, especially. And next, practice makes a man perfect. Thank you very much.
हवस् त विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, आजको रेडियो पढाइ यही सकिन्छ। यो कार्यक्रम तपाईलाई कस्तो लाग्यो? जस्तो लाग्यो त्यस्तै सल्लाह सुझाव र प्रतिक्रिया दिन नभुल्नुहोला। आफूले नबुझेका कुराहरू भए हाम्रो स्टुडियोको फोन नम्बर 089 430 202 मा टिपाउन सक्नुहुनेछ र हाम्रो रेडियोको फेसबुक रेडियो खलङ्गा एफएममा पनि सन्देश छोड्न सक्नुहुनेछ। विषयगत शिक्षकसँग पनि फोन सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। भोलि फेरि यसै समयमा नयाँ पाठका साथ उपस्थित हुने नै छौँ। तबसम्मका लागि प्राविधिक साथीलाई धन्यवाद दिँदै बिदा हुन्छौँ। नमस्कार।